subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell icon. Thank you. Hello, my wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm here to give you an update coming from Edo State. The Independent National Electoral Commission presents certificate of return to Governor Godwin Obaseki and his deputy Shaibu, as APC finally congratulates him on winning Edo governorship election. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) on Tuesday presented certificate of return to Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki and his deputy Philip Shaibu. The National Commissioner (INEC) in charge of Edo State, Rivers State and Bayelsa State, Mrs. May Agbamuche Mbu, made the presentation on Tuesday at the INEC office in Aduwawa, Benin City, the Edo State capital. Agbamuche Mbu commended stakeholders, particularly the security agencies, for their role in the smooth conduct of the governorship poll. She said, and I quote, "I hereby certify that Godwin Obaseki of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) has been elected to the office of Governor of Edo State of the Federal Republic of Nigeria at the election held on the 19th of September 2020. Agbamuche Mbu said while presenting the certificate to Obaseki and his deputy Philip Shaibu. Obaseki was returned elected by INEC after polling the highest number of votes in the keenly contested election conducted on Saturday, being September 19, 2020. Obaseki pulled 307,955 votes across the 18 local government areas of the state to defeat All Progressive Congress candidate Osage Iziamu, who scored 223,619 votes. The APC conceded defeat at the poll and congratulated Obaseki following a meeting with President Muhammadu Buhari, describing the outcome of the election as a victory for democracy. In their congratulatory note, it was noted that the Independent National Electoral Commission, who declared 63-year-old winner of the September 19 election after concluding votes collation on Sunday, September 20, 2020. The candidates of the People's Democratic Party beat Osage Iziamu, the APC candidate, and the 12 other candidates. While Iziamu and the APC in Edo have refused to concede defeat, Buni said in a statement on Monday, being September 21st, that the peaceful conduct of the election and its outcome represents victory for Nigeria's democracy. The Yobe governor said, "As a party, we join our leader, President Muhammadu Buhari, to affirm our commitment to free and fair elections in order to strengthen the foundation of our political and moral authority. We commend Independent National Electoral Commission, our security agencies, and all political parties that contested the election for the successful conduct of the election. As a governing party, we will take every step necessary to support the federal government to consolidate all the gains achieved." After the declaration of Obaseki's victory on Sunday, Pastor Osage Iziamu failed to concede the election, announcing that he was studying the results before making a decision on next moves. The APC in Edo State also publicly rejected the results, alleging that it was marred by numerous electoral malpractices. Buni called on APC leaders and members on Monday to acknowledge the election as free, fair and credible, as already done by President Muhammadu Buhari. In his words, and I quote, "Let us unite to move our democracy forward. We must put an end to the era when electoral contest becomes warfare. We urge our candidates and all our members to join us in congratulating Mr. Godwin Obaseki and the PDP being the declared winner of the election, Buni said. The governor said the party must shift its attention to Ondo State, where its candidate, incumbent Governor Rotimi Akeredolu, seeks a second term in office. According to Governor Obaseki, after winning his election, he spoke after he was declared by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). In his words, and I said, "The great people of Edo State have spoken, and they have spoken loud and clear. Words fail me in slating our teeming supporters who displayed immense courage in the faces of threats, intimidation, and brutalization. The collective win of Edo people made it possible for us to triumph over godfatherism. Congratulations to Edo people." He went on to note that as a candidate of the PDP, he made promises to the people of Edo State, and it would be immoral and unfair to leave the platform given to him by the party to achieve his second term bid. Alright, my wonderful people, this is all the news we have for you coming from Edo State. And I must say, before I allow you to drop your opinion and what you think concerning this at the comment section, the news is trying to say that APC finally congratulates Obaseki and it as the Edo governorship candidate that won the election. I must say that I'm very glad that Obaseki finally won. Not just Obaseki won, but we defeated godfatherism. All the saying about Edo State is not Lagos State. I think they are proving it in this case. And I must indeed say a very big congratulations to Obaseki because it's not easy. This has been a fight between the APC and PDP for a while now. They have done so many things all in the quest to win this governorship election. But finally, Obaseki did not just win, but he was as well issued the certificate of return. A big congrats to him once more. You too can as well become part of this discussion by dropping your opinion and what you think concerning this at the comment section. See you in my next video. Thank you.